Hi guys! So today for your reading activity, you're going to read this poem, The Last Leaf by Harry Benn. And your directions are right here. It says read the poem. You're going to read it one time all the way through. And then you're going to read the poem again, but this time you're going to stop at the black line. And after you read this first part and stop at the black line, you are going to stop and jot a connection you had to this part on this purple sticky note. Once you've jotted your connection, you're going to continue reading to the next black line, so this part, and then you're going to stop and jot a connection that you have with that part on the blue sticky note, and then you will finish the poem and stop and jot a connection on this yellow sticky note. Please use the text tool to do this, and make sure that you're jotting connections that you have really had to the ideas in the poem.